Welcome to RHCSA Guru. In this lab, we'll focus on boosting your efficiency with the Linux command line. You'll enhance your skills in shell scripting and learn to master tools like grep and egrep to automate and simplify tasks with ease. Let's get ready to work smarter on the command line. In first step, open Visual Studio Code. Now navigate to the home directory by typing cd/home. To confirm you're in the correct location, use the pwd command to display the current directory path. The shell is a command line interface that runs your commands and interacts with the system. To see which shell you're using, type echo $0 and press enter. To check the version of the shell you're using, type echo $bash_version and press enter. Now to see all the shells available on your system, type cat/etc/shells and press enter. It will display a list of all the shells installed and available for use. To check which shell is assigned to each user, view the contents of the /etc/password file. Type cat/etc/password and press enter. This will show user details along with their assigned shells. Create a new directory called custom_scripts in your home directory and move into it. Type mkdir custom_scripts and then cd custom_scripts. Then press enter. Let's create your first shell script using the VI editor. Type 5i first and press enter to open the editor and start writing your script. In this script, #bin/bash is called the shebang, telling the system to use /bin/bash as the interpreter. The following lines are comments marked with hashtag, and the echo command prints hello world. To the terminal, press I to enter insert mode, then type the following code. To save the file and exit the 6 editor, press the escape key, then type WQ and press enter. When you create a shell script, you need to give it execute permission to run. Use chmod a+x first to grant execute permission to all users for the script. Press enter to apply the changes. To run the script, you have several options. One way is to use the command /first. If you're not in the same directory where the script is saved, you'll need to provide the full path to the script. Press enter to execute it. You can also run the script by providing its absolute path. Use the command /home/custom_scripts/first to execute it. Press enter to run the script. Now create another shell script named second using VI editor. Use the command vi second. Now let's create a second script that runs multiple commands like hostname, date, echo, and pwd. We'll use backticks inside the echo command to execute these commands and print their output. Press I to enter insert mode and write the following code. Now, give execute permission to all users for the second script. Use the command chmod a+x second. To run the second script, use the command /second. Press enter to execute it. Create another script named third to explore the use of variables and user input. Use the command vi third. In this script, we'll take user input and store it in a variable called name. Then, we'll print a message using that variable. We'll also create variables and storing the sum of variables. Use $ to access a variable's value. Now, give execute permission to the third script. Use the command chmod a plus x third. Press enter to apply the changes. To run the third script, use the following command /third. Press enter. The script will ask for user input, then print a personalized message and the sum of the two numbers, along with the values of the variables. Create another script named fourth to explore the use of if-else conditions. Open the VI editor with the following command vi fourth. In this script, we'll take input from the user and check if the number is greater than 10. If it is, the script will print number is greater than 10. Otherwise, it will print number is less than 10. Press I to enter insert mode and write the following code. Now, give execute permission to the fourth script for all users. Use the following command chmod a plus x fourth. Press enter to apply the changes. To run the fourth script, use the command /fourth. Press enter. The script will ask for input, then check if the number is greater than 10 and display the message based on your input. Now let's create another script named fifth to understand how a for loop works. Open the VI editor using the command vi fifth. In this script, we'll use a for loop to print numbers from 1 to 5. Press I to enter insert mode, then type the following code. Now give execute permission to the fifth script for all users. Use the command chmod a plus x fifth. Press enter to apply the permission. To run the fifth script, use the command /fifth. Press enter. You'll see the output displaying numbers. The grep command is a powerful tool used to search for a specific string or pattern. To check the version of the grep command installed on your system, use the command grep version. Move to the /home directory for the next steps by typing the command cd/home. Then press enter. Now, create a file named colors.txt using the VI editor. Type the command vi colors.txt. Press enter, then press I to enter insert mode. Add the given text. To search for the word spectrum in the colors.txt file, use the following grep command grep spectrum colors.txt. Press enter. It will display the line containing the word spectrum. The C option with the grep command is used to count the number of lines that contain the specified keyword. To count how many lines contain the word color in the colors.txt file, use the following command grep ccolorcolors.txt. The I option in grep ignores case sensitivity. To search for VibGear, regardless of case, use grep ivibgearcolors.txt. Press enter to see the result. To display the matched line along with its line number, use the N option with the grep command. Type grep nColorColors.txt. Press Enter to see the matching lines along with their line numbers. The awk command is used to search for specific strings in a file and manipulate the output. To display the first column of the colors.txt file where the word color appears, use the following command. Grep colorcolors.txt awk, or print $1. The egrep command is used to search for multiple keywords in a file using regular expressions while ignoring case. To search for the words letter or blue in the colors.txt file, use the command egrep letterblue colors.txt. Congratulations, you've completed the exercise. Mark the lab as complete.